Travel bestie, girl, I know you are tired of overpacking and forgetting essentials. Let me help you fix that and teach you how to pack like a pro. And on today's lesson, we're talking about prepping before you pack. And I like to call it DDCA. So first up, destination. Girl, where are you going? Is this gonna be an international trip or a domestic trip? Next, what is the length of your trip? Are we talking about a weekend rendezvous with you know who? Or is this a whole 2-week vacation? And third, did you check the weather? Girl, are we packing booty shorts or jeans? Is it gonna be warm and sunny or chilly and cold? Go check the weather. And finally, activities. What are you doing? Are you going hiking? Are we just shopping? Fancy dinners, nightclubs, or just sitting by the pool or at the beach? So think about these things and you'll be set for a stress-free start to packing. For more tips, check out my book, Packing Made Easy. The link is in my bio, and it is packed with all sorts of tips to get you started to packing like a pro. Happy travels, and I hope this helped.